Happy weekend, everyone. This is Carlo. Welcome to my sneaker YouTube channel. And for today's episode, we're going to do two things. First up, I am going to share with you the worst scam ever that you can find on Lazada. Sobrang nakakabwisit. So that's the first topic. And then we're going to unbox two new sneakers that were sent over here. One is from my good friend SHOEFREAK PH, one of my favorite resellers. And another pair is a pair of really kick-ass anime-inspired Jordans that was sent over by a new sneaker shop in Makati called YOLO Manila. The links to both of their Instagram accounts can be found down below. So let's get to the worst scam, then let's talk about great shoes. Let's go! But if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We've already drawn the winners for the off-white face masks and the Cop Garden Astro World towel. Watch the previous video, announcement is there. Tomorrow, which is a Sunday, so I'm publishing this video on a Saturday, we'll be announcing the winner of the Realme 7 Pro smartphone. So make sure that you guys are subscribed, follow me on Instagram, and then click the link in the description box for the rest of the mechanics. Good luck! This is a classic example of expectations versus reality. So I will show you now a picture of a nice, stunning Jordan carpet that I saw on Lazada. So the plan was to buy the carpet and to give it to a friend because he said that he was so into it. He wanted like a nice Jordan carpet, and I saw it and said, hey, this looks like a good deal. I'll buy it for him. So the carpet arrived today. So as you can see in the picture, it's massive. It's good for the bedroom. Sobrang panalo yung sizing. Eto siya. Ba-bam! Yep, this is the entire thing. So from what I was expecting, which was a carpet, it's actually a frigging doormat. Oh, ano ba yan? Hey, beware of what you buy. So as much as possible, only buy from Lazmall so the items that you get are authentic and 100% genuine. Man, that sucked. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get to the unboxing. This is actually from YOLO Manila. They're a new sneaker shop that you can find over at Makati. I will link down below to their Instagram account. So they know that I'm a huge fan of Japanese anime, and one of my favorite basketball anime shows has always been Slam Dunk. So I watched it in Tagalog. I watched the Japanese dubbed version, or was it subbed? But I watched both. And this is the Air Jordan 6 Retro Slam Dunk. So it comes in this black box, but the giveaway, of course, to the collaboration is that you see Hanamichi Sakuragi over there printed on the side. In fact, you even have more panels of him in different sides of the box. It's just really cool. And if you pop the box open, ba-bam! This is the Air Jordan 6 Slam Dunk. Let's take a closer look. Now it is your typical Air Jordan 6. The big differences, of course, are the prints that you can see all over the upper. There is like the same panels that you saw with the box, printed on both the lateral and the medial side. So you have Hanamichi over here. Of course, it's number 10, not 23. 23 is Jordan's number. 10 is the number of Hanamichi Sakuragi from the anime Slam Dunk. If you haven't watched Slam Dunk yet, you're missing like literally half your life. And you even have some moments of him on the medial side. So this is, I think, the first time he was able to shoot like a jump shot. And then you have more quotes and more iconic moments. Mine is now, so it's written over here along the lower part. And then yeah, it's just a really nice homage to the anime, and of course Hanamichi Sakuragi. So if you are a fan of the anime, if you're a fan of Jordan brand, and you are looking for red sneakers, then you might want to check this out. O nga pala, let me just give a bit of advice to the good folks over at YOLO Manila. I hate the tags. I mean, I said it before to other resellers. I'm sure you guys can find other ways. I mean, this one I hate, the white one, but the tag that you put with the cloth thing is nice, but this one I really hate. It's just hard to remove and it's annoying. So baka gusto nyo alisin. But anyway, so a really cool shoe over here. Thank you again to YOLO Manila for sending this over so that we can unbox it on today's episode. Guys, if you want one, check it out. I link down below to their Instagram account. Air Jordan 6 Retro Slam Dunk. Now let's get to the second shoe. Now this sneaker, I have no idea what it's called. I just saw a picture when one of my favorite resellers, SHOEFREAK PH, posted it on his IG. To those who don't know, SHOEFREAK PH is the OG reseller for me. When I say OG, he's the first guy that I bought resale sneakers from. And he's also the OG in the sense that he's the very first reseller or very first partner of this channel, because he offered to help me grow this channel to sponsor a Yeezy for a giveaway. So that was my first ever giveaway that was sponsored by a partner. So this channel wouldn't be where it is if it weren't for SHOEFREAK PH. So maraming salamat, bro. I appreciate your support through the years. As I grow, I hope your business grows along with it. So anyway, I saw this shoe on his feed and I instantly messaged him, I want it. Let me buy it, send it over. So this is actually going to be my first ASICS pair of 2020 that I bought. It's the Gel Light 3 OG, size 13 in black and white. Black, white. Now, when it comes to Gel Light 13s, I usually have a difficulty because the split tongue type doesn't just go well with people with wide feet. So I'm hoping that this version, which is size up, works better. But the reason why I fell in love with this, man, ganda talaga. I just love the black and white design. It is clean AF. I mean, guys, hindi ko alam. I have no idea what is the design inspiration. If you guys know, please do let me know in the comment section. I don't even know what the actual name of this shoe is. All I know is that when I saw it, it was love at first sight and I wanted to add it to my collection. Instantly knew the moment I saw it na, man, that will be my first ASICS for 2020. Hopefully not the last. Shoutout nga pala to ASICS Philippines. So hope you guys bring in more kick-ass shoes in the coming months ahead. So take a look at this, black and white. You have the ASICS logo on the lateral medial side. You have some numbers. Sorry, apologies, I don't know what it stands for. You have some sort of transparent upper, so you can play it a little bit with the different colored socks that you have. You have the ASICS gel logo, and of course, again, you have the split tongue, which may be a problem for me. I'm hoping that it won't be, because again, I'm worried that when it comes to Gel Light 3s, they are not wide feet friendly. This is a really nice looking shoe, man. By the way, quick note, the reason why I love shopping from SHOEFREAK PH is because apart from the hype shoes that he offers, he also makes it a point to scour different countries for country exclusives. So you will find on his feed like sneakers that you can only get in Europe, you can only get in Japan, you can only get in other countries. He's not the cheapest guy to buy from, but I just really love two things. His customer service, top notch, and the fact that he's just so easy to talk to. And again, the selection is awesome. So check him out, SHOEFREAK PH. I will link down below to his Instagram account. Lloyd Bro is the guy, the owner. His name is Lloyd. Maraming salamat. I appreciate you. Again, I hope that as my channel continues to grow, man, since you supported me from the very start, I hope that your business grows along with me. So those are the two sneakers that I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of. And now, to those who watched until the very end, I have a very surprise giveaway for all of you. Naalala ninyo yung Jordan na rug? It's supposed to be a carpet, but it became a rug or a doormat, man. I'm giving it away. So all you have to do is to comment down below, I want the rug. Hashtag I want the rug. And then I will pick one winner tomorrow. So I'll announce it together with the announcement of the Realme 7 Pro. So all you have to do, again, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. There's a thumbs up button down there. Click nyo na siya. And then just comment down below. Use the hashtag I want the rug, okay? And I will draw the winner tomorrow. That's it for now. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend up ahead, a restful, meaningful weekend. Tomorrow, make sure that you guys watch, because apart from the announcement of the winners, I will be unboxing the sneaker that I bought from RIF Manila. So if you missed my episode where I did some sneaker shopping over at RIF Manila, which is of course located at the building of Secret Fresh, the art gallery of DJ Big Boy Cheng, I ended that episode with a brand new pair of shoes. So I didn't reveal what that pair was, but tomorrow, on tomorrow's vlog, apart from announcing the winners of the two giveaways, dalawa na eh. So we have the Jordan rug, and we have of course the Realme 7 Pro. I will be unveiling and doing an on-feet review of that shoe as well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Praying for all of you. Hope you're all positive with life, negative with COVID. This is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.